Welcome, student. Uh, so let's continue with this fourth lesson, that is the weather and climate. Weather and climate. Okay, because in the previous lecture we saw the different lessons or concepts of this subject, and we um, already revised that lessons. So we will go further for a new lesson, that is weather and climate. Okay, so just wait, we have to. Okay. So let us continue with this reading and having the informations about this lesson. That is, here in the first we have a table that is the that shows us the different type and weathers of these cities. That is, the first city is a Kochi, which is situated in Kerala. The timing in the Kochi was 12:30 p.m. and the weather is cloudy. While another city given to us, that is Bhopal, which is the capital of MP, and the time in the Bhopal is 12:30 p.m. at the same time. Okay, in the three cities having the different weather at the same time, because it is situated at the different longitude. That is, one is situated at the on the bank of the seas, Arabian Seas. Another is the Bhopal at the center of the nation, and the Mussoorie in Uttarakhand in the region of Himalaya. So the three different regions are geography, having the different geography. So their atmosphere or weather also having the different nature. Okay, let us continue with these lessons with the reading. That is, the weather conditions at the each of the places given above are different on the 10th June, the same day, same time. Kochi is cloudy weather, has a cloudy weather. It means there is a little sunlight. The rainy season has started and moistures in the air will be high. Hence, it will be take a long time for the clothes to dry. You may have observed the similar situation at your place during the rainy season. Okay, at Bhopal. So three different conditions at the three different cities. That is, at Bhopal, there is a hot sun. The water in the wet clothes gets converted into the vapor quickly, and the clothes will dry within a short time. And another cities, that is the Mussoorie, is located in the to the north of the Tropic of Cancer. Hence, it receives a less solar heat. The air there is a cool due to its locations on the mountains. Clothes take a longer to dry because of the medium heat and a cool air. The factors like heat, moisture, and wind influence the time taken to the clothes to dry. However, these conditions keeps on changing. We always look for such a change. So here we get an informations about the three different cities which are situated at the three different states, in the three different states at the different longitude. The conditions also differs from each other. The Uttarakhand situated in Himalayan region, while Kerala at the nearby the Hind Mahasagar, and the Bhopal is in the on the land. Okay, so the three cities are situated at the different places, so the weather conditions or atmosphere also differs from each other. Okay, now we go further. That's here is the picture. Here is the picture that shown that the conditions or atmosphere is of a winter, and it is cold, and it is cold. Okay. Mm. So let us continue with the climates. You must have noticed that each season lasts for the particular period, and the each season occurs at the particular time of the period of the year. The scientist observes the weather in a regions for many years. With the help of such studies, they define the mean weather condition. Define the mean weather condition. The average weather conditions of the places observed over a long period of a time is the climate of that region. So the scientists decided that the how can we define the climate of that particular region. It is depends upon the average weather condition for which prolonged in that regions can be defined as a climate of that region. The climate is generally expressed as a cool and dry, hot and humid, or a hot and dry, etc. So here are the terms which are refers to the conditions. That climate conditions are the cool and dry. Okay, hot and humid, and hot and dry. So let us we continued with this new point, that is the climate. Okay. The weather changes quite often due to the changes in temperature, wind, and humidity, etc. So there are some factors which decides the changes in the weather. These are temperature, winds, and humidity. uh, we always experience these changes. A sum total of all these elements define whether these affects our day to day activities and lifestyle. Elements of the weather are taken into the considerations while describing the climate. So above elements, that is temperature, wind, and humidity, are uh, uh, consider that the element which makes the weather of that particular region. Another next point is the element of the weather. So now we are going through the element which define the weather of a particular region. How can we say that it is depend upon the following factor? That is, the first factor is the temperature. The earth's surface gets heat from a sun. As a result, the surface get heated up. The air close to the surface start becoming a hot, and later one by one different layers of the airs at the higher elevations receive heat. Therefore, as we move upward from the sea level, temperatures of the air decreases. The temperature also goes on decreasing from the equator to the both poles. So here are the two sides changes occurs in the air uh, uh, as a perpendicular and a horizontal. Okay. Horizontally from equator To the North Pole, the temperature goes down, while and from as perpendicular to the Earth, it goes decreasing from below to a high level of atmosphere. Okay. So here are the new lessons through which we get an informations about the atmosphere, which decides the climate, which decides the factors of the climate, factors of the climates which decided the particular weather. Okay. Now we will stop because the point is very large. Okay. So in the next lectures we will continue with this point.